Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Raisin Oat Granola bars. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a microwavable safe bowl, then place in your golden syrup followed by the almond butter, then microwave until the two are much softer or almost a little bit more liquidy in consistency. This is what you're looking for. So I found around about 90 seconds worked well. Then you can give it all a good mix and just mix until it all comes together. It won't be a super loose mix. I recommend adding the vanilla after, but I did add it before. It doesn't have an effect, but I prefer to add it after. Once you've got that combined, add in the rest of your ingredients, which is your ground cinnamon, your salt, followed by your walnuts and your oat. Then just fold everything together. Not forgetting your raisins. Forgot the raisins. Fold everything together until it's fully incorporated. It does take a little bit of time and it feels like you're mixing forever, but you're not, don't worry. Once you've got this kind of looking mixture, you can go ahead and grab your tin and place it all in there. Get all of that mixture in there, then spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. I find using your hands works really well, but then you can also use a palette knife or spatula, whichever works best for you. I can't tell you which equipment to use. And then that's it for this recipe until later on when you cut it up. So once you're happy with the consistency, the level of your tray, you can then go ahead and place it into the fridge to firm up. I leave mine overnight, but feel free to leave it for 6 to 8 hours. Once you're ready, you can then cut it up. I just kept cutting, so you had thin finger-sized portions, as that's what works really well. So I cut in half, and then each half into half, and then half again. So you should have, I can't remember how many portions, but you'll be able to see. It gives you a lot, and these are great if you're going on a hike or a picnic, or you just want a sweet treat. Believe me, these work really well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.